குருவே சரணம். குருவின் வடிவில் திருவே சரணம்.
Scriptures by Guru Maharaj Sri K.R. Santanam.
Steps to celibacy. There are 4 processes in the practice of brahmacharya celibacy. First, control the sex impulse and sex vasana, habit, through dhamma, control of senses, and pratyahara, withdrawal of the senses. Then, practice conservation of sex energy. Shut all holes through which energy leaks. Then divert the conserved energy into the proper spiritual channels through japa, repetition of God's name, kirtan, chanting, selfless service, pranayama, yoga breathing, and steady, vigilance, self-analysis, introspection, and vichara, inquiry. Then have conversion or sublimation of the sex energy. Let it be converted into ojas, spiritual energy, or brahma tejas, brahmic radiance, through constant meditation, brahma chintana, and Lord's grace. A Vedantin diverts his mind through asserting, I am all purity, I am sexless Atman, self. Om, Om, Om. A Bhakta, devotee, diverts his mind through japa, kirtan, service of Guru, preceptor, service in temple, study of Bhagavatam, Ramayana, etc. A karma, active yogi, diverts his mind. He is ever occupied in some kind of useful service or other. A hatha yogi converts the sex energy through kriya yoga and dharana, concentration, and pratipaksha bhavna, meditation on the opposite method. In common parlance, brahmacharya is single life. In yogic parlance, it is restraint of not only sex indriya, sense, but all senses. All senses contribute their own share to sexual excitement, sexual urge. The sight rises impure thoughts. Food strengthens the sex indriya as tongue and genitals are born from the same source. Hearing of love, talks, touch, smell all excite passion. Therefore, all senses must be controlled. Repression or suppression of sex energy will not help much in the practice of brahmacharya. What is wanted is sublimation. Sex energy must be entirely converted into ojas sakti or spiritual force. In transformation, the gross form assumes a subtle form. The gross semen becomes a subtle force. This is also not enough. Sublimation only gives full protection. Lustful gazing at women, talking on love matters and about women, gluttony, too much sleep, shaking of body and aimless wandering, a desire to be in the company of women are all forms of lust. Abandon all these. Practice purity in thought, word and deed and get established in Sachidananda Swarupa, essential nature as existence, consciousness, bliss absolute.
ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமः.